danger is imminent. Shutting down self-preservation mode. Bye-bye.
Warning, Snore alert has been activated. If you or a loved one work for the Professor and would like to file a lawsuit or injury claim after this incident, please refer to your accident/injury/I'm not responsible waiver, Section 10-6, Section 4A-0.1 prior to your employment. Have a nice day.
This is a Snore alert. Repeat Snore. Check the satellite.
All systems 5 by 5.
Satellite is in the bad orbit. Come in. Satellite.
Guidance systems online.